Hey guys, it's Kay. This is a quick video to show you how to connect your Samsung phone to your Hisense TV. There's no apps needed. The first thing you want to do is go to your TV and click on Input Source on your remote control. And then from here, you want to scroll across until you get to Any View Cast. And then go along to your phone and swipe down and swipe across and select Smart View. On the screen that follows, click on Smart TV. Sometimes a bit of patience is required here. Okay, so we're now casting our Samsung smartphone on our Hisense TV, and we can do all sorts of things like browse the internet, and the great thing is it supports landscape mode, so browsing the internet becomes very immersive. The other great thing about this is that we can cast games from our phone with minimal lag, so it's big screen gaming without the PlayStation or Xbox. Okay guys, if you found this video helpful, please smash that like button. Even better, smash that subscribe button, as I've got more great videos coming up.